Hey guys, I'm Igor from Noblex Solutions and I'm ready for the max range test of the new Nanrobot LS7 Plus. This video will give you a clear idea of what you can expect from this huge and fast electric scooter. Funny thing is that usually scooter manufacturers' advertised specs are based on the slowest speed settings and perfect road conditions. They probably use very lightweight riders, and the average speed during these tests are about 15 miles per hour. That's not what we're looking for, that's too boring. But here is the question. Who would buy this kind of scooter without wanting to enjoy the riding experience it has to offer? Definitely not me, and I'm pretty sure it's the same with you. So stay with me until the end of this video if you want to know what the new LS7 Plus is capable of. I will also be sharing my thoughts and feelings during the entire trip. So let's get it started. But before we begin, definitely make sure to subscribe to our channel, because in our next video we will test its max speed, and also the full review is on the way too. So the plan for today's video is to get as many miles as possible using decent settings, not the slowest modes. And I will make a stop after 10 miles, 20 miles, 30 miles. And after that we will see. I will kill the battery completely. So this scooter has 60 volt, 40 amp hour battery. That's a really decent size. So like I mentioned before, I will not be going 15 miles per hour. That's too slow and too boring. So I have to say, guys, that the damper is a really good thing. You can literally ride your scooter with one hand, so that's a huge advantage. I will demonstrate that now. There is no wobble at all. I really love that. So it looks like LS7 is doing better than those cheap scooters over there. 63.6 on the voltmeter, 10.2 miles. The next stop will be after 10 miles. And the battery dropped a little bit, but that's fine. Let's continue. I've never had a scooter with a steering damper, and this is especially good if you ride it fast. I will show you now. There was zero wobble. The weather is really bad today. I hope it will not start raining. That guy was too slow. Okay guys, the second stop, 60.2. We have half of the battery left, and it's 19.9, almost 20 miles. I did a quick stop here just to take some rest. If you ask about the steering damper and those bolts, there is a really smart system, because when you turn, the damper needs some play, so that's why everything is really good here, so you don't need to worry about those bolts getting loose. I will take a rest for 10 minutes and I will continue the ride. So here we go, guys. The conditions have been terrible for the last 10 miles. It's really cold and wet, but anyway, it's 56.1 on the voltmeter and 30.1 miles. So my average speed, I think, was around 30 miles per hour. Sometimes it was faster, sometimes slower, depending on the road, but still, the scooter has an advertised range of 37 miles. I think we will be able to reach 35 without any issues. And I'm 5 miles away from my home. I need to get back somehow. So hopefully the scooter will last for another 5 miles. So okay, let's continue. Okay guys, that's solid 35 miles and my battery shows 53.6. Actually I had to wait for about 40 minutes because it was raining really bad and I didn't want to ruin my cameras and I didn't want my scooter to get really wet, so I've been riding for 3 hours already. So that's a finish line. I'm going to ride my scooter as fast as I can. Hopefully we will get at least 37 miles. Again, the advertised numbers on the website are based on the slowest settings, means it's single mode. I've been riding on the dual mode all the time and I've been switching between gears 1, 2 and 3. So my ride was pretty fast. So if I used the slowest settings, I would probably get at least 50 miles. So that's a really solid battery in here. So stay with me until the end of the video because this is going to be the finish line. I will be riding as fast as I can to kill this battery. I don't recommend doing that though. Well guys, I'm done with it. It's 52.2 on the voltmeter and the result is 37 miles. I have 1 bar left here and actually this scooter has some kind of protection mechanism that prevents you from damaging your battery, meaning that it will not let you go faster than 20 miles per hour. Once you hit the last bar, it will not go any faster than 20 or 25 miles per hour. So again, I was using dual drive all the time and I was switching between gear 1, 2 and 3. I mean, if I had to use the slowest settings on this scooter, I would have probably been able to hit at least 50 or 55 miles. That's it guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel. Our next video will be the max speed test of the Nanrobot LS7 Plus, so stay tuned for that one. See you next time.